Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Let's make these delicious garlic parmesan wings with the brand new Garlic Jalapeño Blanco. Well, football season is upon us. You guys know that we are the kings of tailgating. We also just released a new seasoning a few weeks ago. I'm gonna call viral Garlic Jalapeño Blanco. This is a variant of our popular Blanco seasoning. My favorite use for it is on chicken. And this is a recipe that our chef Gavin cooked for a staff lunch, and they absolutely loved it. It's super simple, so we thought we'd show you. Now, with training camps going on and games about to kick off, here's a great thing. You can make it home for watching football, or you can take it with you to the stadium and make it there. So let's just jump right in. We've got 3 pounds of chicken wings. Put a glove on my left hand. It's probably, I don't know, it's got to be about 2 dozen or so, and 3 pounds. We're going to take our seasoning and just season them pretty liberally. So let's talk about this. Been a lot of questions about, there's other garlic jalapeno in the market. How does this compare? As always, our stuff is unique in our own thing. It's not meant to compare. This is a Blanco variant. It's real simple. We added jalapeno to it and we increased the garlic. I had to tweak it a bunch over the last year, but this is something that I've been working on for a year and I have found myself using like crazy. You guys know our Blanco seasoning is very popular. It's salt, pepper, onion, garlic, butter, and it really goes on so much stuff. Like so much stuff. It's my #1 seasoning in my house, and so this is just something I wanted to do. I started working on it last summer, and my family has really migrated to it, so it's fantastic on this. It's a great base for a lot of things, but my favorite use again is chicken. So season this pretty heavily. We're going to let this adhere for a few minutes, and we're going to put it on a wire rack. The seasoning is adhered. I've got a little wire rack here. Anytime I'm doing chicken wings in the smoker, I try to use a wire rack. That way, you put all the chicken on here. It's in the smoker, out of the smoker one time instead of trying to grab 24 different pieces. All right, my OCD's kicking in. I'm going drum, flapper, drum, flapper. What's your favorite? I'm a flapper guy. Said that on a bunch of videos. Speaking of football, was obviously a ton of fun going out to Oxnard, California and cooking for the Cowboys at their training camp again. Appreciate you guys checking out that video last week. I mean, what an honor to be doing that for an NFL team. Now that everything is here on the wire rack, I'm gonna just touch up a little bit. And let's talk about cooking. This cooking is gonna be way simple. You could get the wings cooked before you get into our delicious sauce any way you want. You could do 0 to 400. You could smoke them low and slow. We're running a pellet grill today, so we're gonna cook these hot. So we're going 425. I'm using Meat Church pellets. I'm using the pecan and cherry version. I love that. With wings, you could use whatever flavor you want. But again, smoke these on a pellet grill, smoke these on a smoker, whatever you wanna do. I'm going hot and fast with these. I imagine it'll take 25, 30 minutes in that method. I like cooking hot because they get a little bit of crispness that way. So in the smoker we go, and we'll see you when they're done. While the wings are cooking, we're gonna make the delicious garlic parmesan sauce for these, and it's very easy and very delicious. So heat up a skillet. I'm gonna melt a couple tablespoons of butter. All right, now that that butter is melted, we're gonna go in with some freshly minced garlic. You always wanna use fresh garlic. Don't be lazy and use garlic. It's not nearly as good. Toasting this, unbelievable. So we're just gonna give this a couple minutes. All right, starting to toast up. Before it gets brown, we're gonna go in with our herbs. So we've got a little bit of parsley and a little bit of thyme. You're gonna give this about a minute, not long. Your garlic's just starting to brown. I'm telling you again, this smells epic. This is gonna be the base for our sauce. Okay, let's set this aside and then we can build our sauce. All right, get yourself a big bowl. The base is gonna be some Duke's mayonnaise. I always say this, recipe is always below the video down in the description. It leads you to meatchurch.com. Also, the weekly video is also the banner of meatchurch.com. Freshly grated Parmesan. And then in with all that sauteed goodness, including the extra butter. All right, mix it up. You're just looking for this nice thick consistency, which is going to be delicious for those hot wings to jump in and take a bath in and mix around in here. I mean, tell me that isn't going to be good. Man. And a little more seasoning for the kids, as my buddy Dave Jimenez said in college. We're going to mix this up, set it aside. Wings are finishing up, and we're going to finish these up. Well, it's been about 30 minutes. The chicken wings are temping 185. So you know this stuff's done at 165, but if you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to take wings further, internal temperature-wise, crisp them up a little bit more, and they're not gonna dry out. So we're gonna take these hot off the smoker, and we're gonna go right into this epic, delicious sauce that we made and toss them around in here. I'm gonna let them cool in that. This smells unreal. Also, you could make this sauce in advance before you go out to a stadium, so you could carry it with you in one of these bowls. Great thing about these Yeti food bowls, they have nice lids on them. So I'd like to just take this to a stadium like this. That way, all I gotta do is make the wings. All right, I'm just gonna toss these up. All right, these are still hot. Just tossed them up, and I'm gonna top them with more Parmesan cheese. This is gonna be like going to an Italian restaurant with my kids, and the server's like, tell me when. I'll tell you when you're out. All right, I'm gonna let these cool. I'm gonna go grab a hand cramping cold beer to go with these wings. All right, I'm ready to dig in. I have to tell you, this is the absolute most amazing smell of any chicken wing I've ever had in my entire life. And boy, I ain't here to help you lose weight has never been more true than tonight, and I'm here for it. Dude, that may be the best chicken wing I've had in my life. And I do feel like we've said that a time or two before, but maybe it's just because the recipes just keep getting better and better. Shout out to Chef Gavin on my team. He came up with these when I was in Florida on vacation this summer. I wasn't even in town. Fed them to our staff, and they were blown away by them. And man, I'm glad we put this in the arsenal. But anytime I try something that's that good, we're here to make the recipe video for you guys, but good grief. Man, I think the plan for football season would be to make that sauce at home, take it with you, grill the wings in the parking lot, however you do it, throw them in there. People are going to go crazy over these. We have a chicken wing playlist. We will put this in there. We will put it in the tailgate playlist. I'll put it in the this is damn good playlist. It doesn't exist, but they're that good. You have to make this. So please make sure you like and subscribe. You guys being here and all your positivity and great reviews. And honestly, like, support of this seasoning. I didn't say this yet. First day of this seasoning was a record day in the history of Meat Church thanks to you guys. It crushed original Blanco Day. So can't thank you guys enough. Appreciate you guys being here. Make this for your family. They're gonna love you. See you next week.